Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TR7620 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup. So this is actually the inbuilt Wi-Fi system of the printer, and we connect this printer directly to our device. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, go on the display panel so that we can activate the Wi-Fi direct and to know the password of the printer. So click on the setting icon, then click on the device setting. Click on the LAN settings. Now here we see the Wi-Fi direct. Click on that. Click enable Wi-Fi direct. Switch it on. Now click on the C settings and we can see the name of this Wi-Fi direct printer, and here is the password. Click on the show password icon so that we can see the password. So here we can see the password is displayed, which is the Wi-Fi direct password. Now go to your iPhone or Android device and go to the Wi-Fi setting. In the Wi-Fi, look for the printer's name and click on that. Now enter the password as it was displayed and click on the join button. Once we click on the join button, your printer will be connected. Next step is to go and open the Canon Print app. If you don't have that app, you can download from the App Store. And we have to add the printer, so click yes and wait for the printer to be added automatically. And here we can see the printer is added automatically. Click on the cancel button and you can see the name of the printer series, and now you can do the wireless scanning, wireless printing from here. Thanks for watching.